Welcome back, photography enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into a camera that blends retro charm with modern-day tech, the Pentax Q-S1. Whether you're a seasoned photographer or someone just starting their creative journey, this little gem promises to pack a punch in a surprisingly compact body. So let's explore why the Pentax Q-S1 might just be the perfect fit for your photography kit. First things first, let's talk design. The Pentax Q-S1 has one of the most compact designs for a mirrorless camera, making it incredibly portable without sacrificing performance. With its retro-inspired look, the Q-S1 is available in a variety of customizable colors, adding a personal touch to your photography style. This camera features an intuitive button layout that makes switching settings and modes seamless, even for beginners. The dedicated dials allow you to adjust your ISO, exposure, and focus with ease. And for those who love manual controls, the Q-S1 provides all the tactile feedback you need for a more hands-on shooting experience. But where the Pentax Q-S1 truly shines is in its versatility. Equipped with a 12.4 megapixel back-illuminated CMOS sensor, this camera captures detailed, crisp images, even in low-light conditions. The built-in shake reduction system ensures that your shots remain blur-free, perfect for capturing spontaneous moments on the go. Whether you're shooting vibrant street photography or serene landscapes, the Q-S1's advanced image processing engine delivers exceptional image quality. It may be small, but it certainly doesn't compromise on performance. Plus, the prime lens options available for this system are designed to complement the camera's compact size without sacrificing image sharpness. With its interchangeable lens system, the Pentax Q-S1 gives you access to a variety of lenses, ranging from wide-angle to telephoto, that allow you to push your creativity further. And let's not forget its ability to shoot impressive Full HD video. Whether you're vlogging or capturing cinematic moments, the Q-S1 delivers a smooth, high-quality video experience. Full HD video capture at 30 frames per second ensures that your moments are not only beautifully photographed, but also stunningly filmed. Whether it's everyday adventures or a special event, you'll have the tools to bring those moments to life. And for those of you who love to get creative, the Pentax Q-S1 comes loaded with various in-camera filters and effects. So, what's the verdict? The Pentax Q-S1 may be small in size, but it's mighty in features. From its retro-inspired design to its outstanding image and video quality, it's the perfect camera for photographers who want portability without compromising performance. Whether you're a beginner or an enthusiast, the Q-S1 is ready to take on your next adventure. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and tips on the latest cameras and tech. Stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next video.